Franklin Magtunao Drilon, born November 28, 1945, is a Filipino lawyer and former politician. He has served thrice as President of the Senate, in 2000 from 2001 to 2006, and from 2013 to 2016, having also served as Senate President pro tempore, Senate Majority Leader, and Senate Minority Leader. He is the only senator to have held all four of the Senate's major leadership positions. A member of the Liberal Party since 2003, he has previously led the party as President, Chairman, and Vice Chairman. He also served as Secretary of Labor and Employment, Secretary of Justice, and Executive Secretary in the administration of President Corazon Aquino. He became Secretary of Justice again during the administration of President Fidel V. Ramos. Drilon was born and raised in Iloilo City and studied law at the University of the Philippines. He placed third in the 1969 bar exams and worked as a private practice lawyer before joining the government. Drilon was born on November 28, 1945, in Iloilo City, Iloilo, and is the eldest son of Cesar Drilon Sr. and Primitiva Magtunao. He took his elementary education at the Baluarte Elementary School in Molo, Iloilo City, and graduated in 1957. He finished his secondary education at the UP, Iloilo College in 1961. From the University of the Philippines, Diliman, UP, where he received his Bachelor of Arts Political Science degree in 1965. At UP, he was the associate editor of the student newspaper Philippine Collegian and served as counselor of the UP Student Council. Among his classmates were future politicians Miriam Defensor Santiago and Ronaldo Zamora. In 1969, he completed his Bachelor of Laws at the University of the Philippines College of Law in Diliman. He placed third in the 1969 Philippine bar examinations with an 86.85% bar rating. In the same year, he served as an associate lawyer of Sisip, Salazar, Luna, Manalo, and Feliciano law offices, now Sisip, Salazar, Hernandez, and Gatmatan. He moved to Angara, Abelo, Concepcion, Regala, and Cruz law offices, Acralaw, in 1974, where he still serves as senior counsel. Acralaw elevated him to partner in 1975, co-managing partner in 1981, and managing partner in 1986. Drilon was also a bar examiner on labor and social legislation in the 1979 and 1984 bars examinations. He also became the Vice President and Governor of the Employers Confederation of the Philippines, ECOP, and the Vice President, Board Member, and Treasurer of the Personnel Management Association of the Philippines, PMAP. As Justice Secretary, Drilon was instrumental in the prosecution and conviction of Mayor Antonio Sanchez of Calauan, Laguna, who masterminded the rape-slaying of Uplos Barras co-ed and the murder of his friend, and Claudio T. Hankey Jr., who was figured in the gun-slaying of Maureen Hultman. Both cases ended up in convictions. Drilon was married to fellow lawyer and a CCRA senior partner Violetta Calvo, with whom he had 2 children, Eliza and Patrick. During his candidacy for a Senate seat in 1995, Drilon often traveled to the U.S. to be with his wife, who was then being treated for lung cancer. Mrs. Drilon died of the disease in September 1995, 2 months after her husband assumed his Senate seat. Two years after, Drilon proposed to close family friend Mila Serrano Genuino, who was a widow. They married with former presidents Aquino and Ramos as wedding sponsors. Drilon has a nephew named Rock, who is married to ABS-CBN broadcast journalist Cecilia Victoria Orena, also known as Cs Drilon. Drilon is also a second cousin of former Iloilo City Mayor Jed Patrick Mabalog. Drilon is a member of the Rotary Club, Makati chapter. He was an active member of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, IBP, where he was a former president of the Pasay Makati Mandalayong San Juan chapter. Although he was born in Iloilo, he is a registered voter of Green Hills, San Juan. Central Philippine University bestowed upon him an honorary degree of Doctor of Humanities honoris causa. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.